Ladies and gentlemen, Six Fig Stock Trader here from YouTube, and in today's video, we're taking a look at the one and only nervous network, CKB. So let's get into this. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you guys haven't already, please follow me on Twitter at Real6Fig. I'm not that hard to find, but this is where I drop all the latest and greatest crypto updates, things I'm interested in, upcoming videos, events. You guys get the drift. CKB, my baby, is really doing quite well. Now, we are up today. 0.013645 is the current price tag on a CKB, but we do have this glorious bull pennant that is forming. And we can see that this has been a very nice ABC corrective wave, and we are on to test this upper trend line, hopefully. First, we need to get above this Ichimoku cloud. Then we need to come up, test the 200 moving average, and then we need to get up to this upper trend line, which I suspect might reach somewhere in the 3 cent, the high twos, somewhere in there if price action can get there. So expect a little bit of resistance around this 0.0175-ish level. Let's throw up a little Fibonacci extension, and you can kind of see this 0.0184-ish level, this 0.0144-ish level. We could also make the argument that the 0.016 level might offer us some sort of resistance. But on the daily chart, folks, we have somewhat of an inverse head and shoulders that could quite possibly propel us up to this 200 moving average, which is right around this 0.0184-ish level. So this could get interesting. I'm really expecting CKB to come up to right around this 0.016-ish level and possibly experience some resistance. But on the daily chart, this does two things. Gets price action above the Ichimoku cloud. In addition, it gives us an opportunity to set up in a nice bullish pattern to come up and test some of these higher up levels. The 2 cent level, the 2.022 level, the 61.8, 2.5 cents. I think that the 3 cent level and the 2.5 cent level are going to be huge psychological levels for traders. And I think that this is going to be a great sign to see the prices return to some of these levels. Now, we just have to hope that Bitcoin doesn't wet the bed, because that could in turn basically squash this pattern that has so beautifully formed since the end of April in 2021. So let's just take a quick peek at Bitcoin, why don't we, just to kind of see what's going on. It's very important that we look at this weekly chart for Bitcoin, because it's going to really dictate where things are going. We've got some nice full body candles to the upside, 2 days, 8 hours left. I do think that in 2 days and 8 hours, whatever time this video is created, we'll just go noon. So I'm thinking somewhere in the neighborhood of April 3rd, 8 a.m., or excuse me, 8 p.m. Central Time, we might see some volatility. So Sunday night, 8 p.m. Central Time, look for some volatility. That's usually when we will see a significant momentum change within these cryptos. So we need to really clear this 50 moving average. Like I've been saying all week, we need to clear this Ichimoku cloud on the weekly, and we need to get this price action back out of the cloud, which it has never done before. We have never closed candles above the 50 moving average above the 50 after passing through them after all-time highs. It's just never happened. So I'm hoping that we see Bitcoin really crush through this 50 and this Ichimoku cloud. Because if it doesn't, we're coming back down to test the mid 35s. And if that fails, the only thing stopping us is this 200 moving average, which is the low 20,000s. So you guys can see how important it is that we continue to trade within this channel. And we may, in fact, see some sort of quasi-delayed Elliott wave theory to the upside. It would just kind of be like a sideways fractal Elliott wave movement. But this could also do a few other things. So let's just say we get this price momentum to the upside, maybe revisit the $60,000 level. Well, if we fail at any time around 60,000 or somewhere in there, we will have a glorious head and shoulders pattern because we have a clear neckline here. There's no questions about that. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you could please like the video, let me know in the comments section what you think the crypto market's gonna do next. We'll see you guys all on the next video. Big shout out to all the Patreons. $3 a month will get your name, YouTube channel name, or business name up on this banner. Hope you guys all have a wonderful day wherever you're at in the world.